Have you ever wondered how ancient societies maintained law and order? How did they handle crime and punishment without our modern legal systems? Well, in 1901, an intriguing discovery was made that shed light on these questions. A French expedition stumbled upon a stone stele, which we now know as the Code of Hammurabi. This artifact, etched with nearly 300 laws, is one of the oldest deciphered writings of significant length in the world. It was found in Susa, a region that today falls within the borders of Iran. But this stone didn't originate there. It was erected by King Hammurabi of Babylon, a ruler of ancient Mesopotamia. The stele was transported as a war trophy by the Elamite king Shutruk-Nahunta in the 12th century BC, hence its discovery far from its original home. The Code of Hammurabi, a stone stele inscribed with nearly 300 laws, gives us a unique glimpse into the societal norms and legal systems of ancient Mesopotamia. So, what were these laws, and how did they shape the society of ancient Mesopotamia? The Code of Hammurabi, etched in stone nearly 4,000 years ago, was a compendium of legal principles that covered various aspects of everyday life. It was a unique mix of laws that catered to trade, property rights, and family law, among other things. Take trade, for instance. The code provided a framework for commercial transactions, setting standard prices and wages. It regulated the responsibilities of merchants and customers, making it possible for trade to flourish in a fair and predictable environment. Property rights were also central to the code. It set out laws for buying and selling property, and for resolving property disputes. If a man sold a house and the house collapsed, the seller was liable to rebuild the house or refund the money. This law provided a level of consumer protection that was quite advanced for its time. Family law was another significant part of the code. It detailed the rights and responsibilities of husbands and wives, parents and children. It protected women and children from abuse and neglect, and it laid out the procedure for divorce and custody disputes. But perhaps the most well-known principle in the code is the law of retaliation, or an eye for an eye. This concept, while harsh, aimed to provide justice by ensuring that the punishment fit the crime. However, it's important to note that not all were equal under the code. The laws were not uniformly applied and were dependent on the social status of the individuals involved. A crime against a person of higher status often carried a harsher punishment than a similar crime against someone of lower status. The Code of Hammurabi, therefore, was a complex and nuanced system of laws that reflected the society and values of ancient Mesopotamia. It was a pioneering legal code that sought to provide justice and order in a complex and diverse society. The Code of Hammurabi is our earliest example of a legal code where the punishment fits the crime, a principle that still underpins many of our modern legal systems. So, what is the significance of the Code of Hammurabi, and how does it influence us today? The Code of Hammurabi has left an indelible mark on the course of human history. It was not the first legal code, but it stands as one of the most comprehensive and detailed of the ancient world. The code's influence is far-reaching, moulding the fabric of many later legal systems. From ancient Roman law to the laws of the Middle Ages, traces of Hammurabi's principles can be found. Even today, the echoes of this ancient code are heard in our modern legal systems. The Code of Hammurabi is also considered one of the foundational texts in the history of human rights. It established the concept of an eye for an eye, providing a form of legal equality where the punishment fit the crime. This principle, while it has been refined and debated over the centuries, still forms a key part of justice systems worldwide. Beyond its legal impact, the code offers invaluable insights into ancient society. From it, we can glean details about the Babylonian economy, religion, and philosophy. It paints a vivid picture of a society where commerce was regulated, property rights were protected, and certain humanitarian principles were upheld. The code, therefore, serves as a key to unlocking understanding of ancient Mesopotamian civilization. Furthermore, the Code of Hammurabi showcases the value ancient societies placed on the rule of law. It stands as a testament to the importance of fair legal systems and the pursuit of justice, values that continue to guide societies today. In essence, the Code of Hammurabi etched in stone nearly 4,000 years ago, is more than a historical artifact. It is a testament to human civilization's enduring quest for fairness, order and justice. From the Code of Hammurabi to our modern legal systems, the pursuit of justice is a timeless human endeavor. And as we continue to refine our laws, we stand on the shoulders of these ancient pioneers.